We have the confirmed launch event for the Galaxy A series 2021 and some very great specs. Let's dive in.
How's it going, guys? Max here. So,
Most people can debate that despite the fact that flagships are actually the best of the best, they are also overpriced, and that's the reason why the Galaxy A51, a mid-ranger from Samsung, was the best-selling Android phone of Q1 2020. So for the Galaxy A52 and A72 this year, Samsung is actually going all out. Samsung just posted a teaser for an awesome unpacked event on the 17th of March, and since the motto of A51 last year was
awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life.
This is a clear giveaway that it's actually for the Galaxy A52 and A72. So as the event is just a few days away, let's run down all the leaks that we have of the phone. Starting with the display. The display will be a 6.5-inch Infinite O AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate for the 4G models and 120Hz refresh rate for the 5G models. There's also one last disparity between the 4G and 5G models, which is the processor. The 4G Galaxy A52 and A72 will have the Snapdragon 720G, while the 5G model will have the Snapdragon 750G, both backed with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM base storage. And this is kind of disappointing because most people would have preferred the Exynos 1080 on the 5G model and then the Snapdragon 750G on the 4G model, but yeah, this is actually what we get. So that's just the difference between the 4G and 5G model. Every other thing will remain the same 5000 mAh battery, the same 15-watt charger in the box, which is not available on the flagships. And though the phone can support up to 25-watt charging, but you actually have to buy that charger separately. This is 4-megapixel quad camera setup with optical image stabilization, and for the first time on an A series phone, 30x digital zoom for the Galaxy A72 only, the same that the S20 FE had. But over to the A52, we just have 10x zoom, and those are actually the major leaks that we have for the phone up to this point. And the only thing that we don't have about the phone is the pricing. The pricing has not been confirmed through all the leaks. We've been seeing disparities, but we're going to find out very soon. We also had some hands-on video, but the only thing we can say for now is that it is going to be actually priced well, with most of the leaks suggesting that it will be priced close to last year's models. So that's actually all for this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Are you going for any A series phone this year? Subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you next time.